Can you join anyone on Roblox without being their friends? What's up everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to find out if you are able to join anyone on Roblox without actually being their friends. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So it is a known fact that you can join your friends if they are active and if they are actively playing any games, so you are able to join them on Roblox. But what if you want to join a random person on their game? Let's see if you're able to do that or not. Typically what happens is if your friend is playing a game, you will have an option to join right here besides the name, and you will be able to join them in the same experience. But if you want to join a random person, then what you want to do is click on the search bar and then search for a random person's name. So let's say if I just search for Andy and hit enter, Andy in people, it will show me the best results. Now what you can do is click on their profile like so, and if they are active and playing any game, as you can see here, this sign here, it indicates that they are active currently, but there is no option to join them in the game. And the only thing that you can do to join them in an experience is to add them as a friend, and once they accept your friend request, you'll be able to play together. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.